If you've ever been curious about how to use essential oils safely for kids, we've created a line of 4 carefully formulated blends suitable for kids ages 4 to 11. They are bedtime, uplifting to help wake you up, clearing for those stuffy noses, and focus for learning time. Kids' essential oil safety can be tricky, and that's why these blends have already been formulated with kids' safety in mind. There's no need to figure out dilution. The 4 blends are available in diffusion, roll-ons for topical use, and a mist that you can use in the air or on your body. We also have our Fizzy bath packets that are super fun for bath time. Even though these are made for kids, adult supervision is important. This line is perfect for parents, teachers, and health professionals.